Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to animate image in DaVinci Resolve, create stunning animated images, easy DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device. Right after, import the clips that you want to use. So I have two photos already in here that we're going to go ahead and animate. So we're going to use this as background. We're going to hold this and drop this here onto the timeline. And we're going to add the other image that we want to go ahead and animate here. So we're going to place it here onto the upper part. So we're going to go ahead and adjust its duration in here. So let's lengthen that one out and this one as well. So for our first animation, I want to go ahead and zoom out this photo in here. So we're going to click onto that photo in here. And the first thing that we need to do is to go ahead and click onto this diamond icon here under transform. So for you to be able to see this panel in here, make sure to click on inspector. So we're going to click onto that first to add a keyframe. And then right after, we're going to go ahead and choose a place where we want to go ahead and stop the zoom out. So for example, onto this part. So we're going to lower this one out. So just like that. And right after, we're gonna go ahead and add another keyframe. So we're gonna move this up until here, and onto this part, I'm gonna go ahead and move this one out here onto the left side. So we're gonna go ahead and add another keyframe here just like this. And then we're gonna go ahead and move this to the right. So we're gonna go ahead and adjust this first. And once you're satisfied, you should be able to see already in here the animation for that. So let's do a quick preview first on how it should look like. That is how easy you can animate image in DaVinci Resolve. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.